Welcome, it's Denome. In this video, you will learn a method how you can actually outperform Bitcoin in a bull run. And obviously, I have done this in the past, but during this bull run, I have kind of neglected this specific strategy. And for this video, I made this strategy much more easier so you can get those 10x gains or even higher much easier than perhaps you have been using even with my strategy or my Coinbix or anything like that. I think this strategy is superior to anything else in the market right now. So if you think this is valuable information, consider subscribing to the channel and liking this video as well. And this is gonna be a little bit lengthier video because there's a lot of things that I want to explain. First, I basically want to explain all the methods that you can do to outperform Bitcoin right now and why I think this method is superior. So first off, what you can do is you can invest in new coins. And the problem with new coins is that a lot of the new coins are scams. You can participate in pre-sales, which can be very good, which can make a lot of money, but there are so many scams in the market as well as there's no guarantee that a new coin will do well in the market. So this is one good strategy or decent strategy that I know many people do, and I sometimes do this as well if I find a very good project very early on. And I'm talking about projects that have not even launched yet. You basically get in the phase where you are getting the first coins whenever they are launched. Airdrops is one strategy, so you can use your existing Bitcoin, you can use your existing Ethereum to basically farm points, and when a new protocol launches a coin or a token, you will get an airdrop. So you still hold your Bitcoin, you still hold your Ethereum or stable coins, but you get the airdrop simply because you have been participating in a protocol that did not launch a coin yet. This is a very good strategy. It's one of the best ways to make money, but in this video, I'm not going to specifically focus on airdrops, even though this strategy will make you eligible for airdrops as well. So this is a superior strategy to airdrop strategy as well. Yield on Bitcoin, you can basically loan out your Bitcoin and get a couple percentages yield on top of your Bitcoin. This obviously has risks, and the yield is very low. So in my opinion, this is not as valuable as it may sound it is. Then obviously you can trade altcoins with Bitcoin. This is mainly what I do nowadays, is that I trade altcoins and Bitcoin in short term or medium term, try to find altcoins which are undervalued compared to Bitcoin and trade against them. This is basically my go-to strategy all the time. But unfortunately, it does not necessarily have that asymmetric risk reward ratio. And in this video, I will talk about the 10-to-1 asymmetric risk. So basically, what we are asking is, can this coin become a $1 billion market cap coin? And that is basically the what we are looking for in this strategy. So let me just point out, when we go to a platform like LiveCoinWatch or CoinGecko, and we take a look at all the coins in the market that have a market cap of over $1 billion, we have to go to not page one, actually we can change this to show 100 coins. And when we do that, you can see the first coin that has a market cap over $1 billion right now is number 96. So there are 96 projects that have a market cap of over $1 billion. And if we take a look at the fully diluted market cap, that obviously takes the number even higher than 96. So the answer, the question is basically, can this project go very high? And what we are looking for is to invest in coins and projects that have about $5 million market cap to maybe $20 million market cap at maximum. Because if you get into a coin which has a market cap of $1 million or $10 million and it goes to $100 million, you are already getting that 10x return on your capital. If it can even go to $1 billion, then you're getting 100x on your capital. And this strategy that I will show you is gonna give you an opportunity to actually just bookmark one page and get those returns. So let me actually just go right into the tool that you can use to find those projects. And it is called Defillama. So with Defillama, you can go to this page here, which is the chains subcategory. And what you can see here is all the different blockchains that are in the market. And when we scroll down, you can see right now we have 265 blockchains, which is crazy much. So I'm gonna make it a much more simpler how you can actually find these projects that can 10x or even more. So let me just give you an example of a 10x that has happened before using this strategy. So obviously it's on Ethereum, and on Ethereum, when you are looking at assets on Defillama or projects, what you can look at is basically the top decentralized exchange, which is the top DEX. And Uniswap had a massive run on the last bull run. This was basically the first project that launched this system that you will learn in this video. So when we take a look at Uniswap, what you can see is the total value locked, which is the amount of money that is locked in the protocol. And then we can take a look at the token price. So when we take a look at the token price, you can see that there was an airdrop period here when they weren't even tracking the total value locked in this system, but you were able to farm the airdrop for Uniswap. And then everybody got the airdrop. It was about, I think when it launched, it was about $1,000 or so. But take a look at the price of the Uni token. The price here was about $2 or $3, depending when you are looking at the price. At the time when it launched, I remember it was about $2. And at the peak here, it went to $40. So we're talking about a 20x return on your capital. But the problem right now in the market is that we have the value is diluted in over so many projects in the market that it's very hard for these old coins to actually make significant gains. So from the bottom, you can see Uniswap was $4, and at the peak here, it was $14. So that was about 3x return on your capital. But 3x is much less than 20x, right? So where can we find these 20x tokens is obviously we use the same strategy that we used with Ethereum. I did this in the last bull run with Binance Smart Chain, so I will show you that one as well. So we go back to the chains page, and let's take a look at the Binance Smart Chain. It's called BSC. Let's see if I can. We're still on Ethereum. I have to go one more back here. So BSC, we open this one. So with Binance Smart Chain, obviously we can take a look at the BSC or the Binance token. The Binance token itself was about $30 here, when the total value locked in this chain was $200 million. And then the Binance coin actually went to $600. So that was again 20x just by holding this one coin or token. And the total value locked in Binance Smart Chain was $30 billion. Right now, the total value locked in Binance Smart Chain is not 30 billion, it's only less than $10 billion. And I don't expect this to go much higher or significantly higher, gaining all the money from the market, because like I said, the problem with altcoins right now is that the total value locked is diluted between so many chains, so many projects. So this one had a major pump. This coin BNB token obviously had a major pump here, but again, it's not 30x. Like you were able to get maybe 2x or 3x during this bull run, and you are not outpacing Bitcoin. That's the problem. Bitcoin, when we take a look at the price from the bottom, Bitcoin did a 3x. So why not just hold Bitcoin if an altcoin only does the same as Bitcoin, right? So again, what we can take a look at is the top DEX, which is in Binance Smart Chain. It's PancakeSwap. So when we take a look at PancakeSwap, you can see the total value locked, it's $3 billion now. We take a look at the token price, and the token price here was about $1.50. Then it went to $40. So we're not talking about 30x, we're talking about now, what is it? From 0.5 to 40, we're almost almost talking about 100x. This is 80x on your capital if you were invested in the cake token. So this is what I mean by asymmetric risk. You get into a chain early and you find what is the top DEX and you just buy the token that they have on the DEX. So let me actually show you how you can do this and how you can simply bookmark a page and find these tokens. So again, you go to this chain page on Defillama, and then what you do is we take out, we have too much information here. So we take out some of the information out. So we clear all of these columns. We don't need any of these. Then we put name, protocol, we take out market cap to TVL. This is very important. I will show you soon why. We can take a look at maybe bridge TVL. This is optional. TVL, we can do this. This is optional as well. Now we have all the necessary information. We don't need any more to convolute our research. And then what we do next is we click market cap to TVL, and then we click market cap to TVL again. And the reason why is now we are looking at only chains which do not have a token yet. I repeat, these chains do not have a token yet, except some of these are false, like Pulse chains, they have the PLS token, and then we had the ZK Fair, they already have the ZKF token, and Polygon ZK EVM, this has a token which is the Matic token, obviously, because it is a layer 2 on the Matic blockchain or Polygon blockchain. So some of these are wrong, but most of these are right. And the reason we are looking for these projects is now we take a look at what is the top total value locked in different chains. So for example, Base, right now, I will show you this happened just not recently. We take a look at Base and we take a look at the top DEX. You can see the total value locked is $500 million. We open this up and let's take a look at what happened to Aero price. And this will shock you. And this only happened within the last couple of months. So on Base blockchain, which had about $1.3 billion, this had about half of the total value locked in Base chain. Take a look at the price. If you had invested at the beginning of December, the token price was 3 cents. And right now we're looking at the price of almost $3. Again, almost 100x on your capital, right? So I'm talking about asymmetric risk. You will lose money with this strategy, but the money you lose is much more significantly less than the money that you are able to make if you hit this right. So if you had simply bought the Aero token, you would have made about 80x, 70x, something like that with this Base protocol. But as you can see, the price of this token is already sky high. The market cap is already at $600 million, so about closing to that $1 billion mark. And the fully diluted value is already at almost $2 billion. So this is already a gone train. We cannot invest in these because as you saw with the cake price, you saw it with the Uni price, they will come crashing down eventually. So if you have Aero token, in my opinion, this is a time to actually get rid of all of your Aero tokens if you already had it. If you are not happy with 80x and you are greedy for more, that's on you. You should be getting rid of all of these tokens already. These are in a massive bubble, in my opinion. Obviously, they can go as high as bubbles go, but in my opinion, if you got an 80x, you cannot ask for more. But now let me actually use this same method and show you one project that could have the same effect. So let's go back to Defillama and chains. And obviously I made a mistake here. I need to do this, remove all of these columns again. So name, protocol, TVL, let's bridged TVL as well, and market cap to TVL. This is very important. So we can filter out all of the chains that we don't want to see. So now we have Blast here. We have Altron, but Altron, the problem here is that it only runs 3 protocols. So optimally, we want to aim for projects or protocols that have quite many protocols running on it, because this means there's developers, and when there's developers, it means that it will probably be able to attract more money as well. So Altron only has 3, so it's a little bit iffy to me. So Blast, this is one protocol. I did not vet this before, so I don't exactly know. Let's actually just take a look at what is the top DEX thruster. Let's open it up and let's just see. I actually did not do this before. So total value locked, looks like they do not have a token here. So that means that you can still farm the airdrop on this protocol. So simply by transferring your Bitcoin or Ethereum here and providing liquidity, doing some trades, you can earn potentially the airdrop. Let me just actually go to their website. Let me verify that. So we go here. Do they have anything about an airdrop? Features, concepts, FAQ. Let's take a look at FAQ, general FAQ. When token, we can't comment. Okay. We recommend users to continue to use. So that means basically that there is coming an airdrop. They don't confirm it, but they say that it's probably coming. So you can farm the airdrop here on Thruster at this very moment in time, and it's very easy to actually do it. I will show you basically how to get started very, very soon. But there's other ones. Mode was one that has $200 million. Manta Atlantic, they had Manta Pacific as well. But there's one project here, which is Linea, that I want to show you right now. Because I found actually one project that could fit our criteria that I was talking about. So Linea, it currently has $100 million of total value locked. The bridged TVL is also important because total value locked is total value locked in the protocols of this chain. But bridged TVL means that all the money that has been bridged from Bitcoin, from Ethereum, from other chains onto the chain. So the value running on this Linea chain is currently $466 million. And 128 is only how much of this value is locked in different protocols, basically. And when we go down, we can take a look at what is the top DEX. The top DEX is called Linux, and that's important. Linux, they have a token. I vetted it before, but for me right now, the more interesting project of these is MENDI Finance. And let me show you why. So let's open MENDI Finance. It has $50 million of total value locked. And let's take a look at the market cap of MENDI. This is only $2 million. And this is where the interesting thing is. So let's take a look at the MENDI market cap. MENDI market cap, actually let's take the TVL out so we can get a clearer picture. So it was $200,000 here. But right now it's only $1.4 million actually. It's not even $2 million. So the market cap here obviously is very, very low. It's only 1 million. And can this go to 1 billion? Maybe yes, because Linea doesn't have a token yet as far as I know. So you could even farm the Linea airdrop while you do this strategy. So you simply provide some liquidity for MENDI, you buy the token. They had the token staking. I did not do the token staking, but you can basically just own the token and hope that instead of 1 million market cap, it goes to like $10 million of market cap. And this is not listed in any centralized exchange as far as I know as of now. So you can only buy it through the Linea blockchain. So let me actually go a little bit deeper on how you can find this. Let's actually take a look at it on CoinGecko as well. So CoinGecko, MENDI Finance, it went up 60%. So this is what I mean exactly. I found this yesterday. I made a video yesterday already, but I made some mistakes in yesterday's video because yesterday's video I ended up researching a project that I ended up discarding, and then I found MENDI, and that's why I'm making the video today. But from yesterday to today, the price already increased by 60%, but the market cap's again less than $2 million right now. And you can find it, it's currently not on any centralized exchange. And this is the top lending platform on Linea. So before I was talking about the top DEX or the top lending, top DEX is the best bet. That's very good. But the lending protocol is basically the second best. But For Linux, the problem here is that the Linux market cap, when we take a look at it here, the Linux market cap was $4 million. So that's why I thought Mendi is better, because the market cap was only 1.2 million, something like that yesterday. But the Linux market cap was much higher. That's why I ended up basically going the Mendi route. So this is the power of this strategy, that you find these new chains and these new protocols and you jump in early. So I'm pretty sure you already know how to do this. So what I recommend you to do is bookmark this page and come to this page very often and take a look at these chains that have blockchains. Find the top either lending protocol or the DEX protocol and invest into those which basically have less than $10 million of value, and make sure that the total value locked is also comparable, so that you're finding those asymmetric risk to reward ratio tokens. So Mendi is, in my opinion, looks quite good. The only problem with Mendi is that it does have, when we take a look at the fully diluted value, is already $20 million. So they have a lot of tokens flowing into the market, but even this is quite low in my opinion for now, so it could still do a lot of X's basically. So now let me actually talk you through a little bit how you can do this. So first off, what you need is, obviously you need the website like I showed you, and then you need a wallet. And the wallet that I recommend you to have is this Rabby wallet. So it's a wallet that attaches to your browser, and you can simply send Ethereum here from an exchange. And once you have Ethereum on an exchange, you need to bridge it to these new blockchains. And most of these blockchains work with Ethereum, but you have to check each chain individually if you can use Ethereum or not. But for Linea, it works with Ethereum. So you simply transfer Ethereum to this wallet that has the address here. And once you do that, let's open the website here for Mendi website. We come to this website here. Let's see if they have the bridge. They do not have the bridge. So let's actually open the top DEX here, because this had the bridge option, I am quite sure. So this was the Linux website. This is the decentralized exchange for this blockchain. We open this up, and then we go to bridge, and we go to, you can go to Linea bridge. What you can use also is rhino.fi. This is the one that I probably used to bridge assets over to Linea blockchain. So you sign and create all of these transactions, and what you do is you basically select Ethereum, and you select the Linea blockchain, and you select how many Ethereum you want to send over. You connect the wallet. It's very easy. Let's actually click connect wallet, MetaMask. It says MetaMask, but even though it's the Rabby wallet, you sign and create, confirm, and then you need to authenticate your wallet, enable L2 access, you sign and create, confirm. You do all of these, and then we don't want to get an email. Maybe you do, I don't want to. But now that you are connected, now you can basically move the funds over to the Linea blockchain. And once you have the assets on Linea blockchain, you go back to the top decentralized exchange, obviously, and you go to the swap function. And from here, you can swap the Ethereum that you have. Let's say you want to swap to 0.2 Ethereum or 0.5 Ethereum or whatever you want. You can get the Lynx token, which is the token for this decentralized exchange, or you can get the Mendi token that I showed you before as well. And then you can get the tokens from the swap. So this is basically how it works. And again, like I said, Linea blockchain has not had an airdrop yet. So when you do this, you are also participating in the Linea airdrop. So what you want to probably do with Ethereum that you bridge over as well is you probably want to go to the Mendi website. Let me show you Mendi Finance, and you go to the website here. And from here, what you may want to do is you may want to actually just supply Ethereum to this lending protocol. So if we go back to this strategy, you are getting yield on your Ethereum, you are participating in airdrops, and we are getting asymmetric risk by buying these tokens that, in my opinion, are likely to grow multiple X's in value if the blockchain is getting any sort of wind under its sails. And obviously not all of these blockchains will succeed. Many of them will fail. So I'm just talking about asymmetric risk. So you have to basically read into these, both of these, you have to read what these chains are. Obviously Coinbase was a very easy one and I unfortunately missed it, but Coinbase made this base blockchain. Obviously it will have a lot of money on it, so I was too late to actually participate here, so that's why I'm basically activating now. So you have to vet these individually, which ones are good, and then just find the top blockchains. Merlin chain, I already made an airdrop video about it. Merlin chain, currently the Merlin swap is the top DEX, but when we take a look at this, it currently does not have a token yet, so you can only participate in the airdrop as of now. And Merlin chain, I think it already has like $12 billion of value locked, so participating in this airdrop can be very, very, very significant. But the system is basically the same. You simply supply a little bit Bitcoin, you trade the Bitcoin there, and you can participate in the airdrop as well. So that's basically the video for now. So this is the strategy. If you want to support this channel, you can donate to this wallet address a little bit money if you found this useful, and as well as subscribe to the channel. And I am making an online course of the knowledge that I know. It's gonna be 3 parts. First part is basically how you can get from $0 to $10,000. Next part is how you can go from $10,000 to $100,000, and then from $100,000 to $1 million and further. So I'm creating that. I'm still not 100% confident in that online course, but it is coming, so look out for that one as well. So I will lay out all of my strategies that I use in crypto. So that's it for this video. Hope you like this video and consider subscribing. And by the way, when you open the Rabbi wallet, please make sure to use the code denome for to basically help me out as well, so I can get an airdrop whenever the Rabbi wallet makes an airdrop as well. So you're participating in this Rabbi wallet airdrop as well. So anyway, that's it for this video, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.